Pippin, the curious penguin, always dreamed of flying like the birds in the sky. Every day, he watched them soar gracefully and wished that his tiny penguin wings could lift him up into the clouds. He spent hours flapping his wings, but he only ever managed to flop around in the snow. One day, Pippin had a brilliant idea. "If I can't fly with my wings, I'll build a flying machine," he declared. Using fish bones, ice chunks, and a few stray feathers, Pippin crafted a bizarre contraption that looked more like a sled than a plane. "This will definitely work," he said, strapping himself in. Pippin pushed his machine down a steep hill, hoping to catch the wind. To his surprise, for a few glorious seconds, he was airborne. But soon after, the machine began to wobble and then fell apart, leaving Pippin tumbling into the snow. He popped his head out of the snowbank and sighed. Well, that didn't go as planned. As Pippin dusted himself off, an old penguin named Grandpa Waddles approached. "Trying to fly, are we?" Waddles chuckled. "Penguins don't need to fly. We have our own special way of soaring." "What do you mean?" asked Pippin. Grandpa Waddles winked and led Pippin to the top of a big ice slide. Together, they slid down, gliding across the ice faster than any bird could fly in the sky. Pippin laughed the whole way down. After the slide, Pippin felt a sense of joy he had never experienced before. "I guess flying isn't the only way to feel free," he said, realizing that penguins are made for sliding, not flying. From that day on, Pippin stopped trying to fly and started enjoying his own kind of fun, sliding, waddling, and being the best penguin he could be. Moral of the story: sometimes, what makes you special isn't being like everyone else. It's finding your own way to soar.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.